you guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing amazing. I know I'm not in the best halat possible, but this is what this video is all about. I didn't plan to shoot this video, but I thought this will be really very helpful for people like me. Whenever you have to look presentable and you don't feel like doing anything on your face, hair, or maybe you're not feeling good, और आपके पास products नहीं है, आपका मन नहीं, आप लेट हो गए हो, बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. So उन दिनों पे मैं क्या करती हूँ वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ आज शेयर करने वाली हूँ. This is going to be really very genuine practical thing जो कि मैं normally करती हूँ और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy होगा लोगों के लिए follow करना. Let's get started with this video. The first product I'm going to use is eyebrow pencil. I'm not going to fill my eyebrows with the pencil because I'm not doing a lot of heavy makeup. पूली के अंदर जो extra product होता है उसको I'm just going to use on my eyebrows to give a little definition because इसके अंदर काफी होगा product. And if you have thin hair on your eyebrows like I have thick hair on my eyebrows तो स्पूली का जो एक्स्ट्रा होता है वो चल जाता है. बट अगर आपका नहीं चलता है बेसिकली अगर आपका नहीं चलता है तो आप फिल भी कर सकते हो. So the second product I'm going to use is this. This is an orange corrector and I really need an orange corrector in my life. I'm just gonna apply this on the possible areas and mostly on the possible areas like here. Okay, so try to correct all those areas जहाँ पर आपकी hair growth हुई है. Like I have extra hair on my eyebrows, तो मैं उसको भी conceal कर दूंगी. Like I have hair on my upper lip, तो उसको भी मैं conceal कर रही हूँ. Just gonna blend it all over. So इसको आपको फैला के blend नहीं करना है, जहाँ पे लगाया है वहीं पर ही blend होना चाहिए. को काफी ज्यादा नीटली करने की भी कोई जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज इसके ऊपर आपको कंसीलर एनीवेज आने ही वाला है. सो चिल. दिस इज माई फेस आफ्टर यूजिंग द ऑरेंज करेक्टर. इसके बाद मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ अपना कंसीलर. कंसीलर मैं वहीं पर यूज करने वाली हूँ जहां पर मैंने ऑरेंज करेक्टर यूज किया है. सो ये हमारी कंप्लीट हो गई कंसीलिंग. अब हम करेंगे इसको ब्लेंड और इसके अलावा फेस पे जो मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है वो और कोई यूज नहीं होने वाला है. So now my skin looks better and now I'm going to work on my eyes. I'm going to use this white eye pencil. I've purposely applied a little more because waterline पे जल्दी निकल जाएगा तो थोड़ा सा स्टे करे इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ही लगाया है. Next thing I'm going to use is my eyeliner. And after applying the eyeliner, I think we are almost complete with the look. Now I'm going to use this lip gloss which I have from the brand Sugar and this is in the shade 01 Penelope Peach Stop. I love the name. So I'm just going to use this. And we are done with the look. This is the makeup look that we have created just now and I think this is the most easiest makeup look or you can say a natural makeup which I have created on my channel so far. This has turned out to be really natural, practical, effortless makeup and my main motive when I do my makeup is to make my makeup look effortless. ऐसा ना लगे कि बहुत efforts डाल के किया है and I think today's makeup look is all about that only. So try to share my video with your lazy friends. If you have made it till this point, do like my video if this was a little helpful for you all. I will see you guys super soon in my next one. Don't forget to check my channel for more such stuff. Bye.